What's up, guys? It's me, Bernie Sanders. Just kidding. It's Jack with Wagon Overlanding, and today we're bundled up showing you our latest in-house build at Wagon Overlanding. This is a 2011 G55 AMG, and this client wanted to focus on not just off-road capability, but a true overlanding beast. There's some nice fine details in here that we're excited to show y'all. Kicking things off, one of our go-tos, we've got a Wagon Overlanding 2-inch lift kit featuring our JWO 2-inch springs, a set of Coney raid shocks, a Fox steering stabilizer, and some 30mm wheel spacers to widen the stance out just a hair. Up along the front, you'll see that we've removed the front bull bar to give it a much more clean aesthetic. And pairing with that Wagon Overlanding 2-inch lift kit, we chose to go with a set of Japanese import AMG wheels. These were tricky to find, but we were able to get it done. They're 18-inch wheels wrapped around with some 275/70/18 BF Goodrich KO3 tires. That's a metric 33-inch tire. And when we do 2-inch lift kits, the 33 is our go-to size. Nice thing about these BF Goodrich tires is they're the perfect hybrid between a mud terrain and an all-terrain. So while they do have somewhat of an aggressive look to them, they also handle really well on and off-road. They're quiet, they have a long lifespan, and they're just an all-around good tire. We've been really happy with these. Up along the top, we've got a Gobi roof rack. This is the Stealth variant. And it also comes set up for a multi-light bar configuration at the top front. The nice thing about these Gobi racks is, unlike many roof racks on the market, this is a fully welded platform roof rack. So the only bolts you're gonna see on this entire rack are gonna be along these gutter mounts, connecting to the gutter and up to the rack. But once you get to the rack, everything up there is welded. So you've got several lateral slats welded onto the platform, as well as metal mesh that's all welded and connected. So you've got very good load distribution when you're standing up there, the weight's being dispersed along the entire roof rack instead of just one little slat. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, hardcore roof rack, we love the Gobi roof racks for that purpose. Coming around to the back, along with this Gobi roof rack, we're using a Bush Company 270-degree awning. And this guy will fold up very nicely into this little storage system. And when you open it up, you'll see that you get good coverage on the passenger side and to the rear of the truck. Now, there is also a driver's side to back option. But in this situation, we found putting it on the passenger side makes it easier getting in and out of the truck, so you're not always looking at that awning. It kind of keeps it more, what does it do? Keeps it more hidden away. And what's so nice about having this coverage over the back of the truck is that in the trunk space, this client chose to use a QuQuQ storage system. Now inside of this guy, these locking latches are housing. A nice little cleanup area. You can put all kinds of stuff in here for washing up, maybe doing some meal prep. You've got all kinds of goodies inside this little sack. You've got a few sets of keys so you can lock it up to make sure nothing's getting messed with when you're away on the trails. You get 2 water jugs. You can put whatever you want in there. You get these 2 crates. You can put all kinds of cooking utensils and other supplies. And the coolest part, on the driver's side, you get a fold-out cooktop. You just pop this guy up, fire it on, cook whatever you want. I'm feeling steak and eggs a little bit later. When you're done cooking and you got a nice full belly, close it all up and look up top. You've got a fold-out mattress that spans the trunk and the rear seat area. Even for guys pushing over 6 foot, you can lay across this and get a good night's sleep. This time of year, you don't need AC, you don't need a heater, you just need to go to sleep. Now guys, every time we do one of these builds, we always have to take a moment to stop and appreciate the owner of these vehicles. This is not my truck, it's just something that I got the opportunity to work on. This client has chose to stay anonymous, but when you watch this video, I thank you sincerely for letting me have the opportunity to work on your truck. And I also thank everybody that's followed along in this journey with me, watching all these videos and all the content we're starting to put out. Thank you very much. And if you're looking to turn your G-Wagon into an overlanding truck like this, hit us up and we'll get you taken care of. Happy trails, y'all.